In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lay out images in your email using Constant Contact. Whether you're crafting a newsletter or a promotional email, arranging your images neatly can really capture your audience's attention and convey your message effectively. To begin, the first step is to log into your Constant Contact account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up, but assuming you do, simply enter your credentials and get ready to dive into the email editor. Once you've logged in, the next thing you want to do is open or create a new email campaign. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. You can either select an existing campaign to edit or kick off a new one, depending on what suits your needs. Now that you're in the campaign editor, you'll want to bring in an image block. You can do this by dragging an image block or perhaps an image plus text block straight into the body of your email. These blocks are the foundation for displaying visuals alongside your content. If you're looking to place multiple images side by side, it's time to bring in a 2-column or 3-column layout block. This feature allows you to position images next to each other, adding a dynamic and professional look to your email. For every image you want to include, click on each image placeholder. This will allow you to either upload a new image from your device or choose one from your existing library. Selecting the right image is key, so make sure it's relevant and high quality. Next up, you'll want to resize these images to get the perfect fit for your layout. You can do this using the image editor within Constant Contact. Simply click on the image and adjust by dragging the corners. Finding that perfect size will ensure your email looks balanced and appealing. Don't forget to add alt text for each image. This is an essential step. Alt text improves accessibility for those using screen readers and also ensures that your email remains effective even if images do not load. Utilize the padding and spacing tools to adjust your layout's balance. These tools let you create space around your images, enhancing the overall look and ensuring everything doesn't feel cramped together. Before you wrap up, preview your email to ensure everything is properly aligned, both on desktop and mobile devices. This step is crucial because people often view emails on different devices, and you want to make sure everyone sees it just as you intended. Finally, save your changes and send a test email to yourself. This is the moment of truth where you can confirm that all elements display correctly and as expected. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you're ready to send it out to your audience, and there you have it. Mastering these steps will greatly enhance your email's appearance and impact. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.